Hi Sam. I'm excited for today's lesson. The word we're focusing on is
doch,
Hi Alex. I've seen
Doch.
a lot, but I'm not sure what it really means.
great question.
doch,
Has a few meanings in English. It can mean but, however, or even yes when contradicting a negative statement. The most common usage is to emphasize a point against a previous statement.
So, it's like a way to add contrast.
Exactly. Just be careful, because it can be a false friend for English speakers. It doesn't mean yes in the straightforward way, but more in a context where you're contradicting something.
That makes sense. Can you tell me how?
Doch.
Is used grammatically.
Sure.
doch,
Is an adverb, so it doesn't change form. You can use it in various sentences. For example, if someone says, "You don't like coffee," you could reply,
doch. Ich mag Kaffee.
which means yes, I do like coffee.
I see. So it's kind of like saying yes, I do when contradicting.
Exactly. In the past tense, you might say,
Ich habe doch gesagt, dass ich komme.
meaning I did say that I'm coming.
And how would I use it in a question?
You could ask,
Wirst du doch kommen?
which translates to, "Are you coming after all?"
This is really interesting. Where does the word
Doch.
come from?
Doch,
Has Germanic roots, and it has been a part of the language for many centuries. Its meaning has evolved, but it originally emphasized affirmation or confirmation.
Wow, I love how words can change over time.
It's fascinating, isn't it? The usage of
doch,
has remained strong, especially in everyday conversations.
Can we break down the word a bit more?
Certainly. The word
doch,
cannot be split into smaller components like a prefix or suffix. It's a standalone word, but you can associate it with the idea of contradiction or affirmation.
So there's not really a Lego-like breakdown for this one.
Correct. But you can remember it as a word that stands strong against negation.
Are there similar words in German that I should know?
Yes. Here are a few.
aber,
Which means but,
jedoch,
which also means however,
dennoch,
meaning nevertheless,
trotzdem,
which translates to despite that,
schon,
which means already,
noch,
meaning still,
immer,
which translates to always,
zuletzt,
meaning lastly.
That's a lot.
Yes, and they each have their nuances. For instance,
aber,
is more straightforward than.
doch,
When it comes to contradiction,
Can you give me some situations where I might use?
doch,
of course. For example, at a gathering, if someone doubts your cooking, you could say,
ich habe doch gut gekocht.
meaning I did cook well.
Okay, I can try that.
ich habe doch gut gekocht.
Perfect. Another situation could be at work. If a colleague says,
Du bist doch nicht fertig.
you could respond,
Doch, ich bin fertig.
which means yes, I am finished.
Got it.
Doch, ich bin fertig.
Great. Lastly, when traveling, if someone says,
Du hast doch kein Geld.
you could reply,
Doch, ich habe Geld.
meaning yes, I do have money.
I'll try that one too.
Doch, ich habe Geld.
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints.
Doch,
Is an adverb, so there's no gender to remember, but you could think of it as a strong counterpoint to negative statements.
That's helpful. Are there any common phrases or collocations I should know?
Yes. Some typical phrases include,
mach das doch.
meaning just do it,
Komm doch vorbei.
meaning come over,
Das ist doch klar.
meaning that is clear,
Warum denn nicht?
which is a common response to encourage someone, meaning why not.
I see how those could come in handy.
Just remember that.
Doch,
Can be informal, so it's best used in casual situations.
Are there similar words I should avoid confusing with?
Doch,
Yes. Be careful with,
aber,
which also means but, as well as,
jedoch,
which is a bit more formal.
I'll keep that in mind.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
doch,
mean?
It means but or however.
Good. How would you use it to contradict someone?
I can say,
doch, ich mag Kaffee.
Perfect. What's the past tense example we discussed?
Ich habe doch gesagt, dass ich komme.
Yes. And can you give me a situation where you might use?
doch,
Ich habe doch gut gekocht.
Excellent. Lastly, what's a similar word to?
doch,
I think.
Aber.
Well done, Sam. You really grasped the concept of.
doch.
It's a powerful word to express contradiction and affirmation.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember to practice using
Doch.
in different contexts. It will really enhance your conversations.
I will. Thanks for the lesson.